Well, hello guys and welcome back to Salty Tales. Today, as Miss Ninja here told you,
we're gonna make an awesome key lime pie that it was a home run.
That key lime pie was good, guys, for real.
By the way, my new look. Thank you, Mitch. What do you think?
She's looking good, Mitch. Thank you.
Thank you.
I appreciate it a lot.
But what do you think, honey, before we even started? You know, first come to first before we even forget to thank every single person out there. I really appreciate all the comments. I mean, from the bottom of my heart.
I always told her that you guys are awesome, and now she can taste it from herself. You guys are awesome, and we really appreciate everything. Every little comment you guys do, every little like you guys give us, we really appreciate it. But let's stop talking and let's get into this, guys. Let's go for it, man.
Well, are we all getting ready to start here? I am, and I'm very excited and I can't wait. Let's go real quick over all the ingredients. We need 2 cans of condensed milk, sour cream, Persian limes, squeezer, ready-made Graham cross, measuring cup, mixing bowls, spoon wood, spatulas, a knife, and spoons. It's a little bit hard for me. Let me tell you why real quick. Back home, and I'm originally from Panama, we call limes lemons. And lemons, we call them limes. So it's backwards for me. So if I say limes, lemons instead of lime, please excuse me. So you know the reason why I said that. Okay, let's go ahead and open our first can. Very simple. Get your can opener. We're gonna open it all the way around. We're gonna pour it in our mixing bowl, like I mentioned before. Always gotta get your station ready so it makes everything easier on yourself. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at the texture. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead and start squeezing our lemons. You're gonna roll your lemons like this so you can get as much juice out of it. Go ahead and cut your lemons and squeeze. I love this squeezer, in my personal opinion, instead of the other one that I have, because you can get more juice. We're gonna need at least 5 limes. Okay, see, we already have a 3/4 of a cup of lime juice, and I use 1, 2, 3, 4 of the limes because I roll them very well, then squeezes and get the most juice out of it. Now we're gonna go ahead and pour our sour cream, 1/2 cup. Let's get 1 spoon. That is 2 spoons. We have a cup of our sour cream. So we got everything out of our way and we're getting ready to mix. Very simple. Here it is, condensed milk. We're gonna put our 1/2 cup of sour cream. Get your spatula and scrape everything out. Leave the juice for the end. Now we're gonna zest our lemon, and it's around a tablespoon. And when you're zesting your limes, you're gonna count each time 1, 2, 3, because you don't want the white part in it, just the green part of it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I mean, you can count in your mind. So simple. So listen, if I can do it, you can do it. And guess what? Repetition is the master of the skills. The last ingredient, lime juice. Just pour your lime juice and start mixing. Go ahead and mix. So I'm just going ahead and mixing. And one more time. Look how thick it's getting. It starts changing the shape of the milk. So we have our ready crust right here. Look, see the difference? Oh my gosh. Get your spatula and just pour, pour, pour. Put them in here. And voila. And then just go like this really quick on top. Very gentle, really gentle. And we're done. Let's go ahead and take it to the oven. Simple, quick, and fun. when you take it to the oven, you make sure you put them on your bottom rack. Remember, before you even start mixing all your ingredients, preheat your oven at 350. You're gonna bake it for 18 to 22 minutes.
20 minutes later.
All right, here we are with the pie. Here's Mr. Georgie, and here is Miss Ninja. We're gonna give it a good try right now. You gonna try it? You wanna try it?
He probably wants to, so let's go ahead and cut our pie.
Remember, the whole recipe is gonna be in the description below, guys. Down there. I'm gonna put you down, man. You're gonna have a heart attack if you try that thing. It's too good for you. Wow.
Oh my gosh. There we go.
Let's go for it.
Go ahead, you take the first one.
Wow. This one's even better than the other one. It's creamy, it has the whole thing. The flavor is the same and everything, but inside it's a little more, I say, fluffy. It's softer inside. It's really good.
There's a saying that you wins men's heart through their tummy. So for all the single ladies and all the single guys, get to the kitchen. Imagine, impress your girlfriend with a dinner like this.
That's awesome.
Or impress your husband or your boyfriend with
I'm impressed.
Impress your kids.
I'm impressed.
You are, honey?
Yeah. There you have it, guys. If you have any comment, if you have anything to say, please put it on the comments below. We'll read everything and we try to answer every single comment that you guys put down there.
Make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel and
give us a like. But if you really like us, send our link to your friends and family so they know a little bit more about Mr. Ninja and Miss Ninja. Enjoy.
Have fun, guys. Love you.
Love you.